So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit your username here on the Freecash application. So once Freecash is opened up, I'm here on the main screen. Go to the top left and select on the initial of your username. So for me in the top left, it's a B. Go ahead and select that. Now, once you're on this page right here where it says My Profile, go to the top right to where there's that green gear icon and then select that. Once you're here at the top, for me it says Babco Media. That is my username. If I were to go to the top here and just press on the sort of pencil or the marker right here, you can then change your username. So you can type in whatever you want. Once that is done, go ahead and simply press save. And then your username is successfully changed or updated. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. But that is how you guys can edit your username here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.